Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Crypto NZ. First, you'll need to create an account and complete their identity verification process. This ensures a secure trading environment for everyone. Once verified, link your New Zealand bank account to facilitate easy deposits and withdrawals. Then, you're ready to choose from a wide range of cryptocurrencies available on the platform. To buy cryptocurrency, simply select the digital asset you'd like to acquire. Then, enter the amount of New Zealand dollars you wish to invest. The platform will display the current exchange rate and any associated fees clearly. After reviewing these details, confirm your order, and your chosen cryptocurrency will be added to your Easy Crypto wallet. Selling your cryptocurrency is just as straightforward. Choose the digital asset you wish to sell from your wallet. You can specify the amount you want to sell, either in cryptocurrency units or in New Zealand dollars. After confirming the transaction, the funds will be processed and transferred directly back to your linked New Zealand bank account, usually within 1 business day. Easy Crypto NZ provides access to over 160 different cryptocurrencies, offering a wide selection for your portfolio. The platform is designed to be secure and incredibly user-friendly, making crypto transactions simple for everyone. Should you ever need assistance, their dedicated customer support team is readily available to help you with any questions or concerns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.